I've reached the top of Stool Mountain. Right behind me is Table Rock. Amazing view. Very underrated hike. I never thought to even hike this. Look at that. And you can get pretty far to the drop right here. You're not gonna fall. I mean, wow. But the drop at Table Rock, you think you're not falling? That's a steep drop right there. So I was right, like, let me point with the camera right. I was right there where that vegetation is. And I thought there was like flat ground below me, but nope. Good thing I didn't keep going down.